Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Fishing with Micah. My name's Micah, and Fishing with Micah is a bass fishing YouTube channel. I'm super excited to get this channel kicked off. Today we're going to go see some small ponds. Let's see if we can catch any. Okay guys, here we are at the pond. There's a little creek that comes out of the pond right here. That's where I'm going to go first. Caught some fish in there. There's a bass there. Oh, what was that? Okay. There's some bass over there. I'm just going to flip up in there. Okay. Come on, fish. Water's really clear. He's going for it. He's got it. Got him. Let's go. Okay. Flipping it up. Yeah, guys. First fish. A pound, probably. That was second or third cast. He hammered it. Yes, that was perfect. Okay. I'm gonna put him back in over here so I don't scare any of the other ones. Okay. Third cast. Saw him go after it. He just got it and ran. Here you go, dude. Okay. Hang on. There he is. He's gone. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's keep going. Good. Okay. Got it. Got him. Let's woo. There we go. He's a little one, but it'll do. Almost got his eye. Dude, seriously? I'm trying to get you back in the water. Stop flopping around. There we go, guys. Look at that one. That one's nice. Pretty good. It's a little guy, a little over half a pound. Here you go. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh my gosh, guys. That's a 4.5 pounder right there. Okay, that's a big fish. That is a big fish. Okay, there's several of them. Okay, there's one of them is really big. He just went under. Okay, that's a big fish. Guys, I'm just gonna cast up in there. I was about to leave this spot, then I saw him cruising in here. Okay, I told you guys they're a big fish. I don't know if you guys saw him or not, but I certainly did. Okay, I'm gonna cast up in there. Okay. Take it. Several other ones over there to the right of me, but I'm going after this big one. Oh, he just hit. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but he just hit. Come on. Okay, there are fish. Oh, something just hit. Okay, he's got it. Oh, I missed him. Oh, I missed him, guys. Okay, he had it. That was the big one. He hit it hard. Okay, guys, that's a 5-pound fish. I gotta get that one. Okay, there's another little one over there. I'm gonna just pass him up because the big one just now hit. Hey, bro. seeing if I see any bass in here. To have my poles in one hand, and my other hand needs to be holding me up. So I hope I do not fall. Okay, this is gonna be really tedious. I don't want to get wet in that. You know what, I might have to. Oh, what the heck? Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Micah, please don't fall. If I fall, I'm gonna get so... Ow. I fell. Yo, I got my thigh. It's not good. I'm just gonna have to stay right here in the shallow water. Oh gosh. We are at the next spot. The water's really clear right now. Oh, there's a turtle. Okay, that was a turtle. Thought it was a fish. Just gonna cast out there. Gosh. Tree with fishing line in it in the middle of the water. I'm gonna flip over by those lily pads. Or not. Oh, got it. Okay, he's got it. Oh, he might be big. Okay, he's good. He's a good one. He's a good one. Not sure how big he is. Okay, oh, he's big. He's pretty big. Okay. Going down to get him. Got it. Oh no, don't get loose. That's 3 pounds? You're not coming out, dude. Okay. Oh, look at him. That's a 3-pounder. Just took a cast over there. And got him. I really let him have it. Glad I did. Okay, I'm gonna get a length on him. I don't have a scale with me right now. Ours is broken, but I can get a length. 18 3/4. Okay. He might be 3 pounds. At least 2.5. I'm gonna go ahead and let him back go. He felt pretty big when I hooked into him. Okay. There you go. Okay, we're at the next spot. It's a little pond. There's no signs that say no fishing, so we think we're okay to fish here. We're with my brother Sammy and my dad. We're gonna fish along the bank and stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I'm walking over to this little tree sticking out of the water. Looks like a pretty juicy spot. I saw some fish from the car. Turtle just went in right there. Or was that a fish? I can't tell, but I'm coming over by this tree. Just gonna cast from a distance. Birds over here.
It looks like little bluegill or garden beds right here, so we're gonna try and pull in a few bluegill. They see us and they're like, we're not stupid. Oh my gosh, a bass.
Really? I hope I'm getting
Got him. It's not a bass. It's not a bass. Is it a bass? Yes, it's a little bass. There he went. Hope you guys saw that.
They probably did.
Well, at least we know there's bass in here.